Hello again, guys. I'm back. Okay, I am going to crochet another toddler's hat today, and I'm going to use two colors. This is a Super Saver by Red Heart Yarn, and this is number 4 medium, and the color is green tones. And I am going to mix it with the white color, Red Heart Super Saver, and this is white, number 4 medium. Okay, so they are the same. Now we are going to use the white color as the main color, and for the size of hook, I will be using size J hook, 6.0 millimeter crochet hook. Can you see it? My table is shaky. Okay, to begin, we are going to make a magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice. 1, 2, remove the ring, and into the ring we are going to make 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 is counted as first double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 10 including the beginning chain 3. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we are going to close the ring. We are going to pull the inside strand. This is the outside and this is the inside. Pull that inside strand halfway from left to right, like that. And now this tail, we are going to pull this tail nice and tight. Okay, and we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. This is the beginning chain 3. Join it with slip stitch there. Okay, now for the round 2, make a chain 3. This is counted as first double crochet again, and into the same stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet. So we have 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and we are going to work 2 double crochet into each stitches around with a total of 20. Okay, to make sure, let's count again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So I have 20 double crochet, and we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. Alright, for the round 3, make a chain 3 counted as first double, and into the next stitch we are going to make 2 double crochet. 1, 2, and then 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next. Now go ahead and repeat this around. Make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat this and I will meet you at the joining. I finished my round, guys, and I have the total of 30 double crochet around, and my last stitch is 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3 again. Alright, now for the round 4, make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch and 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into each of the next 2, 2 double crochet into the next. Now go ahead, guys, and repeat this pattern around. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat this pattern around and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round, guys, and I have the total of 40 double crochet around. Now for the next round, we are going to join the green color. So slip hook in on top of the beginning chain 3 and then drop the white yarn, pick up the green yarn, then pull through. Okay, now make a chain 1. If the white yarn, if you want to tighten up this one a little bit, just pull the white yarn like that. Okay, and then make a 1 single crochet into the same stitch. All right, now make 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, and 2 single crochet into the next, 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 2 single crochet into the next, 1 single crochet into each of the next 3, and 2 single crochet into the next. Now I want you to go and repeat this pattern around. Make 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches, and then 2 single crochet into the next, 1 single crochet into each of the next 3, and then 2 single crochet into the next. Go ahead, finish your round, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round, guys, and I have the total of 50 single crochet around. Now we are going to join it with slip stitch into the beginning single. I am going to put this white yarn on top of the hook like that, and then pull the green like that. Okay, now make a chain 1 and then put the white yarn behind again, and into the same stitch we are going to make 1 single crochet, and we are going to work 1 single crochet into each stitches around. So go ahead, guys, and finish your 1 single crochet into each stitches around, and I will meet you for the next round. I finished my round, guys, and I still have the same number of counting, 50 single crochet around. Now we are going to join the white color yarn again. So slip hook into the beginning single, and then drop the green yarn and pick up the white yarn and pull through. Okay, now for the round 7, we're going to make a chain of 3, and we are going to leave the green yarn behind and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next, and we are going to continue working 1 double crochet into each stitches around. So go ahead guys and finish your 1 double crochet into each stitches around, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round guys, and I still have the total of 50 double crochet around. Now to join, slip hook on top of the beginning chain 3, and I am going to put the green yarn over the hook, okay, and we're going to pull through like that. If you want, you can cut this yarn as well, but make sure to leave extra length so you have enough to wave it later. But I want to continue grabbing this as I go for the next rows, okay, and make a chain 3. For the round 8, 9, and 10, I want you to repeat this last round that we just finished, the round 7. And every time you join, always put the green yarn over your hook, okay? Because we are going to continue working with this. Alright, so go ahead and repeat round 7 for the round 8, 9, and 10, and I will meet you for the next round. Alright guys, I finished my round 8, 9, and 10, and this is how the inside looks like with the green yarn. Alright, now we are going to join the green yarn again. Slip hook on top of the beginning chain 3, and then put down the white yarn and pick up the green yarn and pull through, okay. Then make a chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch, and single crochet into the next stitch, and go ahead and continue working 1 single crochet into each stitches around with a total of 50 single crochet. Go ahead guys and finish your single crochet around, and I will meet you for the next round. I finished my round guys, and if you notice that this loosen, you're going to pull the white yarn a little bit like that to tighten up. Now we are going to join it with slip stitch into the beginning single, and I am going to put this yarn over the hook again and pull through, okay. Now make a chain 1 and put the white yarn behind and make a single crochet into the same stitch, and we are going to repeat this last round that we just finished, making single crochet into each stitches around with a total of 50, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay, I finished my round guys, and to join it with slip stitch into the beginning single. Now you can close your work here and cut the yarn. Okay, and for the next round, we are going to slip hook into the same stitch where we did the joining, and then grab the white yarn, pull up yarn, and then make a chain 2, and into the next stitch we are going to make 1/2 double crochet, and make excuse me, make 1/2 double crochet into the next, one half double crochet into the next, half double crochet into the next. Now I want you guys to go ahead and repeat this pattern around, making 1/2 double crochet into each stitches around, with a total of 50 half double crochet, including the beginning chain 2, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round, guys, and I have the total of 50 half double crochet around, and I join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2 here. Now for the round 14, we're going to make a chain 2, and we're going to make 1 front post half double crochet around the next half, make 1 back post half double crochet around the next, one front post half double crochet around the next, back post half double crochet around the next, front post half around the next, and then back post half around the next. Now I want you guys to go ahead and repeat this pattern around, make 1 front post half double crochet around the next half double, and back post half double crochet around the next half double crochet. Repeat this front post and back post alternately until you complete your round, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round, guys, and my last stitch is front post half double crochet. Now we are going to join it on top of the beginning chain 2, join it with slip stitch, and now make a chain 2 and make 1 front post half double crochet around the next front post, back post half double crochet around the next back post, front post around the next front post, back post half around the next back post. I want you to go ahead and repeat this last round that we just finished, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round, guys, and my last stitch is front post half double crochet. Now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. You can lock your work here and then cut the yarn. Okay, guys, don't forget to wave the tail of your yarns later on. I have few from inside also, and this size is 6.5 inches long from top down to the brim, and it has the circumference of 14 to 16 inches, 14 inches unstitched and 16 inches when it is stretched. All right, and this hat is perfect for 6 to 12 months old babies. Okay. Alright, guys, so finish another project. If you have questions, just leave a comment down below and I will try to respond as soon as I can. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much for helping me to grow my small channel. I already reached more than 10,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And also thank you for all the good comments that I am receiving, or the very nice comments that I am receiving from you guys about my tutorial. Thank you so much, and see you again for my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.